Alright, so today we're going to be installing some Rogue Rider Industry Black Label LED lights. We're going to do the rear turn signals and the front turn signals and running lights. So these are the Black Label edition, which means that where the LEDs sit is black. They also have one where it's white, but I think these look better. We're also going to be changing out the caps on the signals for some tinted ones for both the front and the rear. So let's get it done. Alright, so here we have my 2023 Street Bob, and I already got one of the lens caps off, but all you need to get them off is, I'm using a flathead screwdriver. You want to get the thickest bit that you have so you doesn't have too much wiggle room in there, because I tried a thinner one and it wiggles too much and it kind of damages the lens caps a little bit. Let's see if I can show you. There's like a little bit of chewing that happened when I tried to take them off with the thinner screwdriver, so just get the thickest one you can. By that I mean that the tip of it be the thickest one that you can find. Let's see, let me show you guys. All your caps are gonna have a little spot for your screwdriver to go in there. You just want to put in there, get in there and twist it. I already did it to the front one, and I can't do it with one hand right now, so I'm gonna pause this and then get you guys when I take them all off. Alright, so I got them all off now. The front, and the back ones. So now we're going to be installing the LED lights. So all you want to do is take these off first. You want to push in and twist to the left. And that's it. So now do that for all of them. Alright. So now it's just basically putting these the same way they took the other ones out. The OEM ones have a little bit of grease at the end. I don't have any, but if you guys have any dielectric grease, just add some to the tip. You could also just rub the whatever you can off the other ones to the new ones. Let's see if I can do it. They have a little bit of grease. Let's see if I can add some of it here. I just rubbed some of it off. And basically you just do the same. So you're just gonna put these in. I know some people are saying that this is sharp, but I guess they fixed it because this is not sharp anymore. So you shouldn't worry about cutting yourselves pushing these in. Alright, so let's try to put these in. There we go. You're gonna have a little bit of excess cable, so you just want to twist this. Don't go too crazy, you don't want to break the connector. Once you have it like this, you're going to put the lens cap. It's probably better if you have it ready on one hand because it doesn't really want to stay. Actually, I got it right there. So let me grab a lens cap. Got my lens cap. Make sure you place it with the little thing so you can stick your screwdriver in, facing down or off to the side somewhere where you can access it easily if you ever want to take them off. If you put them like this, you're gonna have a hard time because your clutch is gonna be in the way. So just put them in with it facing down or off to the side. These lenses were actually pretty tight. They were kind of hard to put on, but we got them on. I got them off Amazon if any of y'all are interested. It was a 4-pack, so let's see which one from the front. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on so we can see how it looks. So that's how this looks from the front. The LED light, the stock one from the bike, is a little bit of a different color, which I don't totally like, but I mean, these things are super bright. Let me turn on the turn signal so we can see how they look. You can see the whole thing changes color. Let's see the other one. Hazards. That's the turn signal. As you can see, these are red. Let's see the hazards. Super bright. I'm gonna wait till it gets a little bit darker and then I'll show you guys how it looks like at night, maybe on the road. I don't know.